The topic for this lesson is opportunity cost. And you might be asking yourself, what is opportunity cost? Well, before I define it, I want to show you what it means through an example. Imagine you're on a game show, or a random person just randomly walks up to you in the street and says, "Hey, I have 5 items here, and I'm going to give you one." The items are a fancy mirror, a baseball, a couple of trees, a diamond, and cold hard cash. And as he goes through these items, you immediately start to analyze them for how much satisfaction, or in economics we call it utility, each item would bring you. You already have a fancy mirror, so that's a no. You're not much of a sports person, so the baseball is also a no-go. You question the trees, but then kind of rationalize, hey, there's no way I'm getting this home in my car, so you're not going to choose the trees. And you really consider the diamond ring, because it looks really nice and expensive. But once you see the cash, you decide to go with that instead of going with the diamond ring. So we're going to go ahead and put the cash inside your pick column. Now, you're about to leave, you have your cash in your hand, you're just going to about walk away, and then the game show host or random person's like, "Hey, wait, just out of curiosity, what was your next best option?" Well, of course you're going to go with the diamond ring because you're like, "Hey, I could sell that for a profit. I was really considering it before I saw the money." And little did you know that you were actually illustrating this concept of an opportunity cost, which is the value of your next best option. This is because when you pick the money, the cost of that decision was the opportunity cost of not picking the diamond ring. Now again, the cost of you picking the money was not picking the diamond ring. And that's what's known as the opportunity cost. And one thing to note about opportunity costs is that it's not always a monetary value. Let's say this cash prize was only $500, yet this diamond ring was worth more than $1,000. And you might be wondering, hey, that's not economic decision making. Why did you choose the cash over the diamond ring? Well, maybe the time that it would take you to sell that diamond ring was a month or 2 months. And time can be a very valuable resource. In this case, it was worth more than the difference in monetary value. That's why you went with the cash instead of the diamond ring. And this is pretty much, in short terms, opportunity cost is just the value of satisfaction of your next best option. It doesn't have to be a monetary value, but most of the time it is or can be, or at least it's a factor in how much satisfaction that item brings you. But we'll talk more about satisfaction and cost-benefit analysis in a later lesson. But for now, this ends our focus and topic on opportunity cost. If you want to learn more about economics, make sure you tune in to another one of our lessons. See you there.